guys, and welcome to another video with Times for Trend. Now today I am going to be doing a little craft. I am going to be sticker bombing my tablet case. Now sticker bombing is when you cover up a whole something with stickers, like cover up the whole thing with it so it'll be decorated. See? Well, as you can see, I already sticker bombed it. I use neon stickers because neon is a certain type of color. If you put it underneath a certain type of light, it looks like it glows. So like I found that these neon stickers are kind of nice and kind of cute. So yeah, they're pretty nice. So let me show you how I did this. So as you can see, these are all my neon stickers. And this is my tablet case before all the stickers. I put one on there just to see will it stick, so that's why there's sunglasses right there. So now I'm going to separate them. Like and like more. You'll see why I separated them in a moment. So now I take the like pile and I put it all around the edges. Just all around the edge of the case. It's time to get your scissors and cut off the excess stickers that are poking out. Now, since I still have a lot more like on the like pile, I'm going to stick those around the middle. Just all around the middle till I'm done with the whole pile. And now, since I'm finished with the like pile, I'm going to take the like more pile and try to put that on top of all the other stickers. Since I like them more, I want them to be showing more. See, you can see that we're kind of done here, but I still have a lot more stickers that I like more, so I'm still gonna try to stick those all around. And this is what it looks like when it's done. And I got a tablet case that also came with a glow keyboard, and I found that pretty nice. And that's how you cover up a whole tablet case with stickers. So tell me, have you ever sticker bombed anything, and what was it? I really want to know. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!